Hi guys, my name is Rachel and welcome back to Your Own Self, where we keep it 100. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Today's video is going to be all about how I achieved this gorgeous look using Tammi's new collection as like with her collaboration with Makeup Revolution. I'm so sorry that this video is coming late. I actually didn't know that Tammi had eyelashes. I didn't know she had an eyelash line, so I was like, okay, yeah. As soon as I found out about the eyelashes, I was like, okay, cool, let me go get the eyelashes. And the eyelashes just kind of took so long to arrive, obviously because of Corona and everything. I bought her tropical wrong palette. Okay, I bought her Tropical Paradise palette, and this is actually one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes just in general. And you can see how this palette has definitely been utilized. I really love it just because it's amazing. It's dirty. I always use this palette as my mirror for any makeup tutorial that I do. And then obviously she came out with the Carnival palette. Now I just feel like these colors are not as pigmented as the colors in the Tropical Paradise palette. I am still yet to give this palette a nice try out, but I don't know how to lie. So really and truly, I use this palette just to as a mirror, I can't lie. And I think I've used it on clients as well. Now on to the topic of today. So she released her Tropical Twilight collection. Where's the lip kit? Let me go get the lip kit. Got the lip kit. Right. And this collection, honestly, Tammi, I am so proud of you. As you can see, it's just working. Like, it's actually working. My life is magical. And my life is better because Tammi is somewhat in it. As you guys can see, I am a dark skin babe. And let me tell you something. This deep hourglass face palette, it works. Like, it actually works for dark skins, and I'm so proud of Tammi. This is a beautiful eyeshadow palette. The lip kit, amazing combinations. The eyelashes, love these eyelashes. I did not know you had an eyelash line, but I'm glad that I know now. And yeah, like, if you want to know how I achieved this gorgeous look, then please stay tuned for the rest of the video. I am so excited, and if you haven't already you know, gotten this collection, please get the collection. Let me do a little pose for my thumbnail. But honestly, you will not regret these purchases, and I can't believe that the bronzer, the contour, the eyeshadow, the lips, everything is just smashing. So if you want to know how I achieved this gorgeous look, then please do watch the rest of the video, and make sure you follow my Instagram page, my makeup Instagram page, which is at Kingdom Beauty _ on Instagram. Anyway, I will catch you guys later. Right, guys, so obviously I've primed my eyes with the P. Louise eyeshadow base. But anyway, before I move on to that, I just want to shout out Wigs by Hannah. So Wigs by Hannah, this bonnet is from Wigs by Hannah. I will leave a link down below, and I want all of you to purchase this bonnet just because, one, it's extra large, it's comfortable, and I sleep very comfortably with it, and number two, we need to support black businesses. As my transition shade, I'm gonna go into Coconuts, which is this nice brown shade over here. I'm just gonna tap into there, and yeah, what I love about this eyeshadow palette is the mirror. This mirror is just doing bits for society. Wow, that's actually showing up quite nicely. So now I need to figure out Guys, I honestly don't know what look I'm trying to go for because I don't want to do the typical Rachy. You know what? We're gonna go into Horizon, which is this shade here. Ooh, yes, Horizon. And I'm just gonna put that in the outer V of my eye. And I'm just gonna bring that up into the crease as well so that we can get some nice gradients. I'm gonna do the same on the other eye. Yeah, we're gonna leave it there. I'm just gonna quickly go back into Coconuts again because just for this eye, because I feel like I went a bit overboard with Horizon and this eye. Yeah, that's better. We're gonna cut the crease with my P. Louise eyeshadow base here in the shade Rumor 3. I'm just going in with Sundown, which is this shade right here. At the edge of where I've cut the crease. Go in with Sunset, which is this nice bright orange. Put that next to Sundown. Oh, this is coming out really nice. Oh, girl. Oh, this is Sundown and Sunset go nice together. Look at the way they're blending. I like the way it's blending. I'm going into Sun Rays, which is this shade, this beautiful gold shimmer shade over here. And I'm gonna put that just on top of / next to Sunset. Wow, that is popping really nicely as well. It's all blending nicely. And lastly, we're gonna go into Glow, which is just this really nice shimmer shade right here. Like, I'm gonna put that in the inner corner. I don't really like that, so I'm gonna go in with Candlelight, which is this shade here. Yeah, that's the shade. We love it. And I'm gonna highlight as well. Yeah, so this is the eye completed. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera or not. So I'm gonna go off camera, do the other eye, and then I'll be back. So both eyes are now complete and I'm very happy with the outcome. We're just gonna go into the lips. So I'm gonna line my lips with the Glory lip liner. This has to be the best lip liner, like brown lip liner that I've tested so far. So I'm gonna go in with Gone Rogue. And then I'm gonna put Muse in the center of my lip. I look sick, I actually look ill. So we're going to be using the Deep Hourglass face palette, and this is the dark version. So yeah, I'm gonna see if I can bronze. I'm gonna bronze my face, see how that goes, because I don't really believe in bronzing, especially for people of my skin tone. We're gonna try and blush, highlight, and contour. So let's contour first. Wow, that's actually, so basically I already contoured my face with Congo. I didn't mean to do that, but here we are. So I'm gonna use this as a powder contour, and I can't lie, it's doing good. I might have gone a bit overboard. Let's see if it can contour my forehead, because that will be the real test. This reminds me of the Juvia's Place Volume 1 blush palette actually. I used Contour Chick to contour my nose and see what happens there. Oh my gosh! She didn't leave us behind. She actually didn't leave us dark-skinned people behind. I'm so proud of you, Tammi. You're like, I have a contour shade times. This is like a revamp. I have a contour shade. Jeez, I have a powder contour and an actual contour. Wow. Look at the way there's like dimension in my face. I'm gonna bronze this up with my bronzer in Bronze Bell. Wow. Yo, I don't think you guys understand, especially being dark skinned. This is just crazy. Like, they got blushes for us, they've got contours, they've got bronzers. It's like Christmas, isn't it? Hi all. Oh wow, she's beautiful. Blending this palette is very pigmented. I feel like I've gone a bit overboard. Now we're gonna highlight with Golden Hour. Oh god, jeez, it's so pigmented. Jesus. Okay, I'm tired. I think I've basically ruined my face because I'm too heavy-handed, but we can fix that on the other side. I did not expect that at all. Just gonna put some on my nose. I thought she didn't like a bright highlight. Jeez. And then yeah, just gonna do that. Yeah. I got some of Tammy's eyelashes actually, and that's the reason why this video is coming so late. So I'm gonna use, in one of her videos she used girlies, so I'm gonna use Maya. So I'm gonna use Makeup by Tammy's Eyelashes in the shade Maya, and I'm just gonna do my eyelashes off camera and then I will come back. Guys, my eyelashes are on and I'm very excited. Yeah, my eyelashes are on, so I'm just gonna literally do my lower lash line. There we go. The look is complete. My eyelashes are not sticking on properly. I can't lie to you, at this rate eyelashes just irritate me and I'm not really going anywhere. But anyway, overall I actually really love this new collection. This might actually be my favorite collection, but I can't lie to you, I do love Tropical Paradise as well, but this Tropical Twilight is giving me vibes. I actually used some glitter eyeliner from Poundland. As you can see, I went and put some glitter eyeliner on top of my eyelid. Like, this face palette, I'm actually very impressed that it worked on my skin tone. Like, I was a bit like, is it gonna work? Is it really gonna work? Is this worth my coin, etc. The eyeshadows pop so nicely and they blend so beautifully together. Like the formulation is so amazing. The lip liner actually shows up on my skin tone. These sheer lip glosses, they're very good. They're not sticky, they're not problematic. Again, they blended really nicely together as well, and I genuinely believe that my face is looking amazing. And this eyeshadow matches my bonnet, but I'm gonna take off my bonnet and then get back to you guys. So I'm back, I've taken off my bonnet and my hair is looking presentable, but I can't lie to you, you guys need a Wigs by Hannah bonnet. You just need one. The link to everything will be in the description box down below. But anyway, this is the finished look and I'm very pleased. I am very pleased at the outcome. I used the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define foundation along with the their concealer as well, just in case you guys wanted to know. But this is the finished look, and I'm actually a sweet one. I'm a sweet one. My face is actually contoured, as in snatched. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and let's just run this back one more time for the people back home. And make sure you share this with your friends, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye guys. I don't even know what I've done to my face today. Jeez, are you catching it? Are you catching it? I'm glowing! Jeez! Heebie-jeebies! Oh my god! You know what? Yeah, the camera is not even doing me justice, because this mirror on this palette, yeah. Even if you just buy this palette for the mirror.